Okay guys, so today we're going to be talking about photosynthesis and cellular respiration. So if you go to the classroom page, we're working on 0924 photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Click on the Google Slides here. So we did the first four in class together, so that should already be done. But since we're having some issues with connection, we're going to go ahead and do it where I'm recording for you. So this is what it'll pop up for you. Do not make a copy. It already has, so you don't need to. I'm going to be working on this one though, just so that it doesn't change y'all's as well. So what are the products and reactants of photosynthesis? We have CO2, or carbon dioxide. And then we also have water, or H2O. Okay, so our plant will take in sunlight as well, so it'll get that solar energy. It'll take in sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water, and then it'll undergo photosynthesis, and it will release or have the products that are oxygen, so what we breathe in, and our main energy storage, glucose. So C6H12O6, this is just our molecular formula for it, but this is glucose. Okay, so our plant releases oxygen and glucose. So I'm going to type out the balanced equation. You guys don't need to know how to balance the equations. That's something that y'all are going to learn in chemistry, or you may have already learned it in IPC, but I'm not going to ask that of you for biology. Just be able to identify this chemical equation if you were to see it and understand what the reactants are and what the products are. Okay, and then 1 glucose. Okay, so what we have here is we have 6 carbon dioxide molecules and 6 water molecules. Add sunlight, and they undergo photosynthesis. So the products would be 6 oxygen molecules and then 1 glucose molecule. Okay, now let's look at the products and reactants for cellular respiration. So we breathe in oxygen, of course. And then for cellular respiration, we are breaking down that glucose. So it's C6H12O6. That is just the molecular formula for glucose. Okay, so we take in our oxygen and our glucose. We undergo cellular respiration, and we breathe out carbon dioxide. And we release water. Okay. Same thing with our equation here. I'm going to balance it for you, but you don't need to know how to balance. You just need to be able to understand that this is the cellular respiration chemical equation if you were to see it on a test. We have our 6 oxygen molecules, and then our 1 glucose molecule for our reactants. And then, like I had said, we get carbon dioxide, so we get 6 carbon dioxide molecules and 6 water molecules. Don't forget, I didn't make y'all type it out, but you also get ATP for this. And ATP, remember, that just stands for energy. Okay, so you get your energy. So remember, like I had told y'all, glucose is just our energy storage. That's our pantry. We have to break open that pantry to release the ATP, or to release the energy.